Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you guys my brow routine. It's been a little minute since I did that on my channel, but we're back. We're doing it today. I actually partnered with Tweezerman today to bring you guys this brow routine, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys because my brows are so symmetrical. Like, you're gonna want to watch this video. So if you guys would like to see how I got my brows, then just keep on watching. So this is going to be the full shebang on me grooming my brows as well as me filling in my brows, and I am super excited to share it with you guys. So let's just jump right into the video. So I'm gonna start actually by filling in my brows first, which is kind of weird. I don't know, let me know down in the comments if you do that too, if you groom your brows when they're filled in. That's just a little tip if you struggle with getting your shape correct. If you just do it on bare brows, then if you fill your brows in first on how you actually want them shaped and then clean up around that, I feel like it gives me a much cleaner look. So that's what I like to do. So I'm gonna fill in my brows first. I'm gonna start by using a pomade, and it's just a cream brow product, and I'm gonna go in with the Tweezerman angled brow brush and spoolie, and we're gonna start by outlining the bottom of the brow and then outlining the top. Now with the angled brow brush and spoolie, you're able to draw on brow hairs a lot more precisely, and you can actually use this brush to apply eyeliner, which is super nice. And working with pomades a little bit goes a long way, so start with a little and then build, because it's easier to add than take away for sure. This is my second time doing my brows. So trust me on that. So now once I complete that, then I'm gonna go in with the flat brow brush and spoolie, and we're gonna go back into the product and just get a little bit on the brush, tap off the excess onto a tissue, and then just fill it in. And this is so quick when you're using this flat brush, so much faster than if you were to fill it in just with that angled brush. That's why I like to use both of these brushes together. And then once we get to the front, we're just going to flip it over and use the end of the spoolie to fade out the front. Now the flat brow brush and spoolie defines and highlights around the brows, which is super nice. You can use it for both concealer and actually filling in the brows. Okay, and after we get our brows filled in, now it's time for the fun parts. We're gonna go in with the Tweezerman Slant Tweezers, and I'm going to actually take a mirror, and then we're going to just clean up underneath the brows. And these tweezers are amazing when it comes to cleaning up underneath the brows or above the brows. They're made with high quality stainless steel, and they're super easy to clean, as well as they come in so many different colors. So it's so cool to be able to match it to your mood or just get your favorite color. Finally, in the grooming process, I'm going to kind of clean up the length of my brow hairs, and I'm going to do that by using the Tweezerman brow shaping scissors and brush. And what we're going to do is brush up the brow hairs. Now I have kind of shorter brow hairs, but it makes a huge difference when I do clean them up a little bit, and whatever is sticking up on top of what we filled in, we're just going to snip that off, and that way it kind of gives the appearance of a thicker brow when I do brush them up. So I just love using that tool. Now the brow shaping scissors and brush feature ultra thin blades that are custom designed to trim brow hairs, and also the unique contoured body of the scissors really allows for comfortable handling, so you're able to really get that look that you're looking for when it comes to trimming up the brow hairs. So this is kind of like a before and after of how your brows look when you're using the Tweezerman tools to create your brow look. So I just completed my other brow off camera, and I absolutely love how my brows look using all of the Tweezerman tools and brushes. Absolutely beautiful turnout. They are so symmetrical and groomed, and I've been needing to groom my brows for a little minute. So if you guys want to check out any of the products that I used in this video, make sure that you check out the description box. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave and thumbs up this video, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.